Hi guys, this is Nikki here. Today I am going to show you my simple everyday makeup. Let's start. First step is moisturizer. So I am using here is Nivea cream. So I am putting dots on my skin that it spread well. So apply it on my skin. Next step is prepping. So prepping your skin is so important that it's prepare well for makeup for your skin. So here I am using this Blue Heaven primer. So applying evenly on my skin where I have pores. You can even do it with your hands, but you will be needing some practice. I am applying on my eyelids that is prepped. So primer keeps your makeup stay longer. So next step is foundation. If you have oily skin, please choose pan stick or stick foundation. So here I am using a Lakme 925 primer plus matte perfect foundation in the shade N Neutral 260 Neutral Honey. So now I take this foundation. So I am gonna be doing strobing now. So I am taking liquid highlighter from Nykaa Strobe and Glow. So I am taking 1 drop of this liquid highlighter in that foundation. 1 drop is enough, otherwise it will become shimmery and dewy. So I am taking some stick and mixing it. For strobing, you can choose moisturizer based shimmers by mixing this with Nivea cream or soft line moisturizer from Nivea. So I am going to take this foundation brush. This is called Kabuki brush and I am gonna use it to my face. So you have to do it in a tapping motion that it blends well on your skin. Also use it to your neck. And eyelids. You can do full coverage foundation if you are correcting your face. So next is compact powder. So you can use loose powder if you are correcting or applying concealer so much. I am applying with a brush on my skin. Powder sets your makeup that it not melts. Do it under your eyes and on your sweating areas. If you have oily skin, you can use loose powder. So now it's lipstick time. So you have to moisturize your lips always when you put matte lipsticks. So I'm taking Nivea Strawberry Shines moisturizer. So I'm taking little amount and applying it on my lips. So my lips is well moisturized. For chapped lips and pigmented lips, you can use Nivea's Original Care Lip Balm. So for lipstick, I am taking here is Pink, Nude and Barbie Pink from Huda Beauty, and this is I do know from, and this is Huda Beauty Super Stay Matte Lipstick. So I love nude, so I'm mixing shades now. So I'm taking nude lipstick now. I'm keeping dots. So I'm taking pink, and this is Malteose lipstick. So this is creamy moisturizing lipstick, bullet lipstick, and then this is matte. There are two sides which you can apply your favorite. So I'm taking matte now. Now I am dabbing that it looks pretty, the color. You can use lip gloss if you want, because this color looks little messy. So now is eye makeup look time. So we have to brush our eyebrows. My eyebrows is always messy, so I'm taking this spoolie and then brushing my eyes. You should do it neatly, otherwise you can do your eyebrows with eyebrow pencil or eyebrow wax, and then you can brush it that it looks neat. You can do it for party like makeup looks. So I finished doing this. So next it's eyeshadow time. So for applying eyeshadow, first you should moisturize your eyelids. That means prepping. So I'm taking little amount of Nivea moisturizer and putting some dots here. So you can blend it with a finger, or otherwise you can take anything which is convenient to blend for your eyes. So you should cover your eyes always with a concealer. So you can take liquid variation or this stick variation. If you have oily skin on your lids, you can use stick concealer. So here I finished doing the stick concealer applying. So I am taking this synthetic air brush. I bought it from Naked 6 palette, and applying the concealer in my eyes. So now take any compact powder or loose powder. I am taking this cotton pad and tapping on my eyelids, because the eyeshadow should be long lasting. Cover your eyelids. So today I am going to do halo shimmery party eyeshadow look. So I am taking this tapered blending brush. Always you should set your eyes before doing eyeshadow with powder. So now I am taking this color palettes, and then I am taking these all colors like pink variants. So I am taking this color and then doing it like this. You should do in your eyelids. This is called creasing. So now I am taking this Savannah Colors shade 64, this burgundy type of eyeshadow color. So I am taking this tapered blending brush. This is small. So I am taking this and applying on these areas. See, it looks pretty and nice. So now I am taking this darker color to fill my outer eye area. I'm taking this bigger brush that it will be easy to apply on outer areas. Okay, now I am again taking that burgundy shades and creasing it because that black shimmery substance will cover that. I am taking this shimmery color and then apply on these area. So doing like this looks prettier. So I finished my eyeshadow. So now if you want, you can curl your eyes with curler, but I will apply mascara by own. So if you're not interested with this eyeshadow palette, you can use this Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadow with two sides. This is metallic and this is metallic black. So now it's kajal time. So my eyes is black, so we have to apply kajal. So here I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal. So I finished applying the kajal. So now we have to smudge it, because for party functions, if we smudge, it will look like smoky eyes. So I'm taking this sponge like thing which used to smudge your makeup. So I finished smudging my kajal. So now I'm applying blush. So I'm applying little. If you apply more, it will look like you are a child. So now I'm taking Nykaa Strobe and Glow for highlighting. So I'm taking one drop. One drop is enough. So I'm doing on my eyebrow portion to my cheek. You have to blend it with your fingers, or you can use any foundation brush if you want. So this gives a glow for party and functions. You have to smile and you have to do it on your apple of cheeks. So you can also apply your highlighter on cheeks, nose and your head like this portion, that will look shimmery if you are going to party or any. So now it's time for eyeliner. So I am taking felt eyeliner. So see the long of this sketch like thing. So I am going to finish with the end because I am not doing a big and bold winged eyeliner. So I finished doing my eyeliner. So you can remove your makeup easily. So I am having here is coconut oil. You can fill it in like container and easily apply it on your face. So what you're gonna do is to take coconut oil some amount and massage it on your face, also on your eyes. If you're not able to clean your kajal, you can take any tissues and you can remove it with the help of the oil. So after doing that, you have to, then important step is cleanser. So if you have combination skin and suffering with it, so here I am having Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Turmeric Cleanser. It deep cleanses and soothes for combination skin. So this is enriched with turmeric. It has rose extract, geranium and yang yang essential oil. I hope this video will be useful for you.